Good morning. Every morning at the pH Miracle Center, we serve fresh green juice. We also serve fresh, silky almond milk, and we mix those two and we call it green milk. And it is a beautiful, silky way to get your greens down. And I'm so excited that you're joining me this morning because I have found in my life the first juicer that can do both green juices plus make nut and seed milks without having to strain the skins. I know. Well, wonders never cease, right? I'm so excited about this juicer. I want to demonstrate it for you this morning. It's called the PowerGrind Pro. And it's a very quiet juicer. I can even talk over the motor. So there it is. It's on, and you can still hear me, which is great. And this juicer is great because you can put a whole cucumber in. There we go. You can see how quickly that beautiful green juice comes out. I've got a beautiful container here that keeps the juice going in the container. We're going to add some celery. And some spinach. Spinach juice is very high in chlorophyll. It's also sweet. And with this PowerGrind Pro juicer, you have to pump here a little bit to get the vegetables to go down. But it's really very easy to use. I'm going to add a little more celery. A little bit of pumping here. Put the rest of the celery down. So you can see there that we have this beautiful green juice ready to drink. And now I'm going to add almonds that have been soaked overnight. So they've been plumped. I'm going to add a few in here in the other side of the spout. I'm going to follow up with water. So now as you see me pumping the almonds, you can see the fresh silky almond milk starting to come out. And all of the skins are coming over to the side here, out into the waste container here. So incredible how easy this is. Just add the almonds that have been soaked, start pumping, and chase with water. Woo, that's so easy, so quick. I've been doing this green milk in my Vitamix for a long time when I make the almond milk, and I've always had to strain the skins out. So you can see here we have this beautiful silky greens mixed with almond milk, our green milk in perfect condition with no waste or none of the skins in there, ready to serve. Beautiful light green color. Oh, that is so delicious. I hope you'll call the pH Miracle Center and ask about the PowerGrind Pro. Salute to your health.